Hey everyone, welcome back to Scented Memories. आज का वीडियो बहुत स्पेशल होने वाला है बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टॉप वेडिंग सेंस फॉर वेमेन. फ्रेग्रेंसेस जो सिर्फ अच्छी स्मेल नहीं करती बट मेमोरीज क्रिएट करती हैं. वेडिंग डे, इमोशंस, बटरफ्लाइज, एक्साइटमेंट, थोड़ी सी नर्वसनेस और एक परफ्यूम जो हर मोमेंट को फ्रीज कर देता है. चाहे आप ब्राइड हो या वेडिंग फेस्टिविटीज एंजॉय कर रहे हो, दीज सेंस आर एलिगेंट, रोमांटिक एंड अनफॉरगेटेबल. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. So the first on the list is the Wedding Silk Santal by Khyali. The Wedding Silk Santal honestly feels exactly how the name sounds. Soft, smooth and luxurious like silk on skin. Bilkul refined sa. This fragrance is not loud at all. It sits close, almost like a personal aura. You know, a personal sa feel. You immediately get this creamy sandalwood blended beautifully with soft white florals and musk, giving it that clean yet sensual warmth. बहुत ही comforting. There's a subtle sweetness running through it, not sugary but more like freshly steamed fabric with a comforting glow. Performance wise, this is more of an intimate scent kind of perfume. It lasts well through the ceremony and early celebrations, but it's not meant to project across the room. ये perfume आपके पास रहने के लिए बना है. It reminds me of that calm pause before the ceremony. ड्रेस एडजस्ट करते हुए, डीप ब्रेथ लेते हुए, वो एक साइलेंट मोमेंट होता है ना. दिस इज सच अ प्योर ब्राइडल सेंट. Graceful, intimate and emotionally comforting. Up next is my forever loved Delina exclusive by Parfums de Marly. Delina exclusive is pure bridal royalty energy, full on statement piece. It has this lush, creamy rose at the center, velvety and rich, supported by fruity touches of lychee and pear, and wrapped in vanilla and soft incense warmth. बहुत ही दिलखुश स्टाइल एंड लग्जूरियस फील आती है. देयर इज अ पाउडरी स्मूथनेस हियर दैट मेक्स इट फील एक्सट्रीमली फेमिनिन एंड ग्लैमरस. Proper lavish and happy shadi wali glamour. And performance, oh, this one shows up. It has strong projection and excellent longevity, easily lasting through long wedding rituals, photos and evening celebrations. पूरा दिन साथ देता है. This is for the bride who owns the room. Heavy lehenga, jewelry shining, confident smile और हर मूव के साथ फ्रेग्रेंस ट्रेल छोड़ता हुआ. This is absolutely gorgeous. Up next, I have Mon Galan Intense by Galan. Mon Galan Intense feels emotional and grounding at the same time. Comforting yet confident. Thoda sa emotional, thoda sa strong. The lavender note adds calmness, while vanilla and not sure but probably tonka bean and warm resins make it creamy and slightly smoky. It's intense but very smooth, never harsh, bilkul balanced. Performance wise, this one is reliable and steady. It lasts beautifully on skin and stays noticeable without becoming overpowering or intrusive. ज़्यादा loud नहीं है but present ज़रूर है. This feels like a fragrance that supports you emotionally through the day. Warm, reassuring and quietly powerful. Up next, I have Imperium by Electimus London. Imperium gives very luxury destination wedding vibes. Classy, refined and expensive smelling. बहुत polished feel. You get zingy bergamot and coriander and soft florals blended into amber warmth, creamy woods and velvety vanilla, giving it a golden, glowing feel. There's sweetness and there is a beautiful, vibrant and sparkling quality to it. It's smooth and resinous, and there's also a beautifully lightweight and airy whisper of oud. So elegant, uplifting and so sophisticated. The oud here is not skanky or even noticeable. It's very distant, जैसे कहीं बहुत दूर से कुछ भीनी सी, cloudy सी oud की महक आ रही हो. Just barely making an appearance for the sake of it. In fact, you can't even tell that it's there. Just experience and feeling में थोड़ा substance और composition में बहुत सारी जान ऐड करता हुआ. In terms of performance, this sits in that perfect balance zone, good longevity and moderate but beautiful projection. It stays with you for hours but never overwhelms the space. शादी के लिए perfect balance. It's ideal for brides who love understated elegance, the kind of scent people describe as you smell amazing rather than your perfume is strong. Perfectly unisex, excellent for both men and women. Up next, I have Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. Coco Mademoiselle is timeless for a reason. ये कभी out of style नहीं होता. Bright citrus freshness in the beginning melts into rose, jasmine and clean patchouli, giving it that confident, modern femininity. You need to like your patchouli to be able to enjoy it, but patchouli here is so designer style, meaning that it's easy on the nose and so beautiful for me. The performance is very dependable. It lasts comfortably through a long day and has a lively projection, especially in the first few hours. Entry के time पे ये काफ़ी notice होता है. It feels energetic, polished and celebratory, a scent that keeps up with you all day without fading too quickly. Next, I have Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. BR 540 is pure magic in the air. एरी येट डीप, स्वीट येट वुडी, थोड़ा सा एडिक्टिव भी. इनफैक्ट फॉर मी तो ये बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा एडिक्टिव है. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस DNA. दैट सिग्नेचर saffron and amber combo creates a glowing sweetness, almost like warm sugar melting into woods. It floats rather than sitting heavily. बिल्कुल aura type fragrance. It's a cloud of airy spun sugar, cotton candy style. Performance wise, this is a beast in the most elegant way. Incredible longevity with a projection that creates an aura around you. लोग आपके जाने के बाद भी smell करते रहेंगे. It's perfect for evening receptions, slow dances, and moments where you want your presence to linger. Up next, I have Club de Nuit Untold by Armaf. If you love the BR 540 vibe but find it expensive, or honestly, it is expensive, let's face it, Club de Nuit Untold is a fantastic alternative. You still get that sweet amber woody DNA, maybe slightly bolder and more noticeable. It has strong projection and impressive longevity. Price के हिसाब से काफ़ी solid. It's a great option for brides or wedding guests who want that modern luxurious scent trail without spending too much. Noticeable, compliment getting, and very wedding friendly. So these were my top wedding scents for women. Fragrances that don't just smell beautiful but feel beautiful. अंदर तक feel होता है. Honestly, there are so many stunning wedding worthy perfumes out there. So might just do a part 2 to this. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know in the comments कौन सा fragrance आपकी wedding vibe से match करता है. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone planning their big day. I'll see you next time. Bye.